I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Mini Cooper. First of all, we go into settings, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. We go over to the system and you've got menu. We click menu. If it's not already on telephone, you see there's a box around telephone. Just turn this rotary control till you get to telephone, then press it. That selects the telephone, and you've got search, Bluetooth, and back there. So we want to be searching. That's looking for the phone now. Already come up on my phone, so we'll click on Mini there. And then you've got help, reject, and add. We want add. Now I've got to put a 4-digit code in. So if I click 0000, OK, and then the screens come here, up here, the keyboard 000, 4 noughts, pair that, you make that code up whatever you want. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And then let's see, Mini's connected there, and it's showing connected on the screen.